Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Candy Nana. So we are going to do something different today. We are going to make some smashed potatoes. Not mashed, smashed potatoes. You heard it right. These are gold potatoes and they're kind of small. So just the two of us, so I just have 5 in there and we're gonna bake these in an oven. I am going to spray them with some of this butter spray, pop them in the oven. I have the oven at 350. We are just going to spray them like this, put them in the oven, and I will show you what to do. These are the best potatoes, you guys, and they come out so delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, so here are our potatoes. They're all cooked, so I'm going to put them, I'm going to show you one, or maybe two. Show you 2 of them. I'm going to put them on a dish, and we're just going to push them down with a fork. Move that one over. Instead of baked potatoes, these are just going to be smashed potatoes. Not working the way I wanted it to. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's use a potato masher. There we go. Smashed potato. Okay, so we are going to put butter on it and some sour cream, and we're going to serve these just like that. Just like a mashed potato, except it's a smashed potato. So let's fix these guys. A little bit different presentation than a regular potato. So if you're looking for something different, these are perfect. You can put cheese on top of these. I'm out of cheddar cheese at the moment. I usually put cheddar cheese on them. Sour cream, like I said, I have some sour cream here. I'm going to use some sour cream and serve them just like that. So 1 per person. Just a little variation from your regular baked potato, and they are awesome. You can also put the cheese on and the butter and put it back into the oven and cook them a little bit longer and make the cheese crispy. You could put Parmesan on it, make it a crispy Parmesan potato, something different as a side dish. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you soon.